Yo, what's up? Check this out. We're about to fucking fix the tailpipe on my truck. Let's go.
Like I said, I'm just going to probably end up knocking off the end of one of these. Just weld it right into the fucking back of this plate. Weld it onto the back. Let her fucking spit out the fucking towards the diff. Maybe use that.
Fuck yeah. That's a fucking pipe. Well, here we are, and we just fixed the tailpipe. So for everybody who's been whining about it, it's fixed. Relax. Hit it! Oh. Fuck yeah. Sounds way better. Thank you, Chris! Fuck yeah.